Welcome back to the channel. If you're into discovering Amazon's best gadgets under $50, then you're going to love what's coming next. From portable magnifiers to mini projectors, these tools are made to make your daily life simpler, smarter, and way cooler. Let's jump into it. Slim Tech Pouch. First up is the Slim Tech Pouch, an essential for anyone constantly dealing with a tangle of cords and chargers. Designed with travelers, students, and digital nomads in mind, this cable organizer bag fits neatly into any backpack or suitcase. Despite its slim design, it holds a surprising number of essentials. We're talking chargers, SD cards, adapters, power banks, earbuds, and even USB hubs. Made with durable nylon and a heavy-duty zipper, it offers both protection and organization in one. The internal layout is intelligently designed, so you're not just stuffing wires in. Everything has its place. If you hate digging through your bag just to find a charger, this is one of those Amazon travel must-haves that solves that problem instantly. Rocketbook Reusable Notebook. Next, let's talk about sustainability and productivity combined. Meet the Rocketbook Reusable Notebook. Unlike traditional notebooks, this smart gadget lets you write, scan, upload, and reuse. Just use the included Pilot Friction pen to take notes, doodle, or sketch. When you're done, open the Rocketbook app and scan your pages to cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneNote. When do you need a fresh page? Just wipe it clean with a damp cloth and start over. It has durable pages, a waterproof cover, and comes in various sizes for portability. Whether you're journaling, managing your business, or attending meetings, this is one of the most eco-friendly Amazon office gadgets you'll ever own. Retractable multi-connector charging cable. A lifesaver for tech lovers. The retractable 3-in-1 charging cable. It features Lightning, USB-C, and micro USB connectors, so you can charge almost any device with just one cable. It's ideal for families or workplaces where Android and Apple users are constantly swapping cables. What's more, this cable supports fast charging up to 3 amps, and the anti-oxidation design ensures long-term durability. They even say it can handle over 15,000 folds. Perfect for travel, home, or car use. And because it's retractable, it keeps your space neat and clutter-free. Goodbye, tangled wires. Electric Air Flower Dryer, Mini Air Duster. Coming in hot, or rather, fast, at number 9 is the Electric Air Flower Dryer, also known as a mini turbo air duster. With a 130,000 RPM turbine, this beast delivers 65 meters of air per minute. That's strong enough to replace your compressed air cans. And more environmentally friendly, too. Perfect for cleaning keyboards, camera lenses, car dashboards, or electronics. This device offers up to 100 minutes of runtime depending on speed. It's powered by dual 4,000 mAh batteries and charges via USB-C. Made from high-strength aluminum alloy, it's compact enough to carry in your bag or glove compartment. This is a brilliant gadget for tech cleaning, making it a standout in any list of best electronic accessories on Amazon. SwitchBot for blinds. And finally, here's a gadget that gives your home a smart upgrade. The SwitchBot for blinds. It transforms regular window blinds into automated smart blinds with an easy, non-invasive install. It has a built-in 2,000 mAh lithium battery that charges with solar power, making it both eco-friendly and low-maintenance. With precise motor control and light sensors, it adjusts your blinds based on natural light, perfect for maintaining temperature and reducing energy bills. Even better, you can control it via app, and if connected to a hub, it supports voice control via Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. If you're building a smart home on a budget, this is one of the most affordable automation devices on Amazon.